How to add highlights on Instagram without adding to story. So if you want to add highlights on your Instagram without adding it to your story, then what you need to do is first open up your Instagram application, go with the profile, which is on the bottom right, go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon, scroll down, go with hide story and live, and tap on hide story and live, and here you just need to simply choose each and every one, and you need to hide your story from each and every person. And after that, go with done, which is on the upper right. And once you've hide the story in live from each and every person, then you can proceed with the next step. But if you have a lot of followers, then it might be a time consuming process for you. Once you've done that, just go back and go with the bottom middle, which has a plus icon, go with story, and then add something to your story, and go with your story, which is here on the bottom left. Tap on it and it will be added. So tap on keep current settings and it will be added to your story. So once it has been added to your story, then you just need to simply tap in and go with the highlights, which is on the bottom, and then add it to your highlights. Choose the folder in which you would like to add, and that's it. It has been added. So that's how you can add your highlights on your Instagram without adding to your story. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.